Welcome to Laundromat News Today. I am your news anchor. I really got to nail that down. I'm your news anchor over here, Jordan Berry with Laundromat Resource, and I am here to bring you the latest and greatest in all Laundromat news. So today, I want to start out with a former podcast guest who shot me an email at news@laundromatresource.com, which is exactly where you can shoot me an email if you've got news going on, news@laundromatresource.com. And he said, hey, I'm trying to do something for the industry over here. He started a YouTube channel, Laundryman Dan Foley, who was on the podcast not too long ago, starting his YouTube channel. So go give him some love and support. Again, you can get links to this and everything else we talk about today in our newsletter. So make sure you go sign up at laundromatresource.com for the newsletter. Listen, apparently we've been hearing whispers, we've been hearing the chatter, and we've heard the promises of someday. Well, guess what? Today is that someday. Dexter has come out with their new line of machines, the Dexter X series, which, is new and exciting. I think one of the big complaints about Dexter equipment was that you can't tell if it's 30 years old or brand spanking new. And Dexter has come out with this new X series that does look a little bit different, and it's got touchscreen capabilities. So they're coming into the touchscreen world over here. Pretty exciting stuff. I think the more of this kind of thing that we get, the better it is for all of us and the easier it is for us to have great businesses. So Dexter X Series, you'll have to go check it out. I saw a few of the features that are in there. They've got some moisture sensing stuff going on in their dryers and fire prevention stuff going on there, and a whole bunch of other stuff happening that integrates with that touchscreen stuff. So go check out the Dexter X Series and see what they've got cooking over there. We've got a desperate need. We've got a desperate need in Skagway, Alaska. I have actually been to Skagway. It is a cool little town. And in that town, there is only one year-round laundromat, one laundromat that stays open all throughout the winter and summer months. And that laundromat is closing in September. So residents of Skagway are calling you and saying, listen, we need somebody to come open up a laundromat. So if you're looking for an opportunity, you want to live in a cool, metaphorically, but also probably physically cool, especially in the winter area, and provide some laundry services, check out Skagway because they have some need over there. Also want to just shout out the Laundry Cares Foundation just was honored and awarded the David M. Rubenstein Prize as part of the 2024 Library of Congress Literacy Award. So congrats to Laundry Cares Foundation, trying to do something awesome in the neighborhoods. And I've been saying for a long time, and so have they, and so have many of you, we have a cool opportunity as laundromat owners to reach out to our communities, to make an impact, to make a difference, to instill value in communities that we serve in. So congrats to Laundry Cares Foundation for doing that through their literacy program and being recognized for it. So look forward to more of that. And finally, I want to introduce you to a new service company that's busting onto the scene, starting out in Austin and trying to expand right now into New York. It is Laundry Ready with the Laundry Ready app, and they are trying to partner with laundry service providers like maybe some of you to process laundry and offer pickup and delivery services to the communities that you serve in. You may download their app, the Laundry Ready app, and you can partner with them. And when they get orders for pickup and delivery, they will bring that laundry to you. You process it, and they will take it back to the customer. So very cool. Trying to be another angle, if you will, towards the Uber for laundry, Uber for everything that we've got now, Uber for laundry service. So check out Laundry Ready, especially if you're looking to expand your laundromat's reach and you're not quite ready to bite the bullet on your truck or van or whatever. But also, you can also partner with them if you do have your own truck or van. So go check those guys out. They're trying to serve at the moment, Austin and New York, but they're looking to expand all over the place. So check them out. Reach out to those guys. You can reach out to them at Laundry Ready One, the number one, Laundry Ready number one, Laundry Ready One at gmail.com. If you're interested or you just want to get some more information, talk with Ash over there. Super good guy and would love to chat with you. All right, that is it for today's news and laundry news today. We will be back at it next week to bring you the latest and greatest of all things laundromat industry. It's going to make your head spin and extract all the I don't know. I know, Patrick, I'm acknowledging that you wanted more jokes, and I just got to tell you what my wife tells me all the time. I'm just not that funny. So I'm gonna try to write some jokes down for the next one for you, Patrick. That's what I'm gonna do. This is Laundromat News Today. I'm your news anchor, Jordan Berry for Laundromat Resource, and we'll see you next week with the news.